Hey guys, today I'm going to share how to make this princess style choker necklace with crystals and floating pearls. All the products information is in my description box. I've measured my neck and cut off the right length of ribbon. I'm going to use 4mm Swarovski Bicone crystal beads in crystal AB color. Toho seed beads in transparent rainbow color. They go really well with the crystals I'm using today. 2 beading needles. You can just go with normal sewing needles. 2 silver crimp beads in slim tube shape. And 6mm Swarovski pearls. Chin nose plier and scissors. Ribbon clamps. An open jump ring and a clasp with an open ring, which are easy to be connected with clamps. A lighter and fine line. First, just heat seal the ends of the ribbon. Usually we use ribbon clamps just to fit the width of the ribbon, which is easier and looks tidy. But today I'm going to use small clamps. I need to fold the end of the ribbon to fit in the clamp. Just use my finger to press it to see if it looks okay. Then squeeze it with chin nose plier. And same for the other end. Now open the jump ring with chin nose plier. Connect it with a clamp. Then close the jump ring. Same way to connect the clasp on the other end. So we've finished an easy ribbon choker. Here you also can connect extender chain to make the length of the choker flexible. Cut a piece of fine line. Around double length of the ribbon, put on needles for both ends to stop beads moving away later. Place 1 seed bead, 1 pearl, and another seed bead. Find the middle point of the ribbon's length and width. Just sew the beads to make the pearl stay on this point. Then leave 3 or 4mm gap. Make needle go back to the front. Then place 1 seed bead, 2 crystals and another seed bead. Tidy up the beads right below the last seed bead. Put the needle to go through the ribbon to the back. So we've finished the first section. Leave 3 or 4mm gap to continue to copy the first section. So still start with 1 pearl and 2 seed beads till reach really close to the clamp. Here I'll make 2 more stitches. Finish with 2 knots. Just make sure not pulling the thread too much, because the ribbon will get damaged easily. Trim off the extra thread. So we've finished half side. With the same steps, we'll finish the other side. Then cut 20 cm fine line. Connect with 1 needle. Go through right below the pearl in the middle of the ribbon. Then place a silver tube bead for both ends of the thread. Now we can remove the needle. Pull the thread, just leave one short part on one side. Squeeze the tube. Trim off the short thread part. Place a pearl on the left thread, then go back through the pearl to trap it. Same way to trap 4 pearls in total. Move them to even out the gaps. Place another tube bead, squeeze it. Cut extra thread. So yeah, we've finished. Really hope you guys like this little design. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.